A friend of mine recently paid me what I think was a compliment. He'd watched my YouTube channel showcasing the videos for the pictures that you're looking at right now, and he said, "I think you are absolutely brilliant and fantastic. You are like if Einstein and Beyonce had a baby, and that baby was raised by a pack of caffeinated golden retrievers who only spoke in motivational quotes. That's you, mine." Actually, that's not what he said. He said, "Mate, you could achieve so much more in your woodworking journey if you just pushed yourself just a little." Which, if I'm honest, does sound suspiciously like you're not trying hard enough. But all the same, he is right. And I thought I would set myself some challenges for 2026. That's right, it's resolution time. Resolution number one: learn some proper woodworking techniques. I've been coasting on glue and screw for far too long. It's time to be an adult, or at least look like one on camera. Lap joints, dowels, even if they're just covering screws, finger joints, dovetails, all the classics. Resolution number two: use the lathe. I bought a lathe ages ago. Cheap one from the cheapo supermarket, but it's still boxed. Now, I did enjoy making bottle openers a couple of years back, so why not try it again? This time on the lathe. Maybe some bowls or Christmas ornaments. Or I'll just make some lovely round firewood. Resolution 3. Reuse broken skateboards. My youngest son is a skateboarder, and so are his mates. Now, they used to go through boards faster than a Roomba through a small town. So now I've got a shed full of old decks. Broken, but I reckon there's potential there. Bottle openers, lathe projects. Sounds like I might have to open a bottle opener shop on Etsy. Resolution number 4. Try epoxy. Everyone and their dog has made a river table on YouTube. I have a dog, so I'm a step ahead of the crowd. I even bought some epoxy once. It's still in the box, right next to the lathe. Time to see if I can use it without gluing myself to the workbench. Resolution number 5. A big project. A big project. Something dramatic, like a pallet wood bar, or maybe a bus shelter to hide my barbecue from the great British weather. Pallet slats, glue up, big build energy, that kind of thing. Or maybe Adirondack chairs, the ultimate goal. Classic, comfy, proper, summer in the garden chairs. Would love to do the rocking chair version. I'll need to start early though, otherwise I'll be sitting on them in the cold November rain. So, there you have it, my 2026 woodworking resolutions. A bold plan filled with ambition, splinters, and statistically significant chance of failure. But that's half the fun, right? If you fancy watching me attempt any of these, and probably fail spectacularly, hit subscribe. Get yourself some popcorn. It's going to be a long year.
Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.